Hi guys! Welcome back to the Tomato Thing with Casey Cruz, where I recycled stuff and give them second chances. Today's project, I'm going to show you how to make a sling bag out of cardboard. Yes, another cardboard project because this house is full of boxes and cardboard, so I decided to turn it into something new and recycle them. And bonus, I will also recycle my old shorts. So, are you ready to see it? Let's get started. For this project, you will need Let's start with our 19 by 38 centimeter cardboard. We will divide it into 10, then 4, 10, 4, then 10. So, using my ruler, let's start with 10 here, and then from there, we'll measure 4 centimeter. And then from there, we'll measure 10 centimeter. And then 4 from here. And then you have your 10 centimeter. Let's do also on the bottom part. Okay, now once we're done, we'll draw straight line. Then, using our cutter, we will cut those lines, but only on top so it can easily fold. So this is the base of our sling bag. Fold it. Okay, so it will look like this. Okay, this will be the bag. Okay. Okay. Now we set this aside and we get our two 3.5 by 9 centimeter cardboard. This will be the ones on the side of the bag, like this. Yeah, so since this is on the side, we need to punch a hole. I'm using my puncher. Now we are done punching holes on this cardboard. We get our base and we will stick this here, here, and then here. Let's get our glue gun. We let it dry first, and then we'll add one here, another one here, and then here, so we can stick it like this. So let it dry first. Okay, then we wait for it to dry. And wait for it to dry. Now our cardboard bag is dry, already secure, dry. We'll add some designs. So I got this cloth from my old shorts. I'll show you the picture how it looks like before. And I cut it into this piece, and this will be in front of this bag. So I will stick it like this in here. So and then since this is already sewed, this will be here on top, so I don't need to sew anymore. I'll just stick it like this. Cut the edge. So now front part is covered with this cut, and it doesn't look like a cardboard anymore. Isn't it nice? Pretty, right? So we just let it dry first. Now the cloth is already dried and stick on it. So now it doesn't look like a cardboard. It looks fancy. We put this aside and get our twine. This will be the sling on your pouch. So this one is measured into 125 centimeter. So you make 3 of that 125 centimeter of your twine, and we will braid this. We'll braid it. So before braiding it, let's insert first this one on this hole. And just make a simple knot. Okay. And this knot is already enough not to go out of the hole. So now we have to braid this. Once you reach the end, just cut the one that is excess and then put them on the other side of the bag with the hole and create a simple knot. Just create a simple knot, and there you go. Now you have this. Now since this one is keep on opening, we will add some Velcro using this Command brand. You can buy this in Lazada or in any Tesco supermarket. I'll just need a tiny, a little bit of it. So I'll just cut it like this. And I will stick it here. And then I remove this and stick it on the other side. So I don't think this will be really strong, so I'm just adding some glue gun. Then stick here. Let's wait for it to dry. Remove the other side, add some glue gun, no, glue. And then wait for it to dry. Now once it's dry, you have your cardboard sling bag. So now you have your sling bag. Open it. You can put your phone, your key, and your key card. And you're ready to go. I hope you like and enjoyed this project. And if you try it at home, let me know down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification button for more DIY projects. Remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. See you next week. Bye-bye.